Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Ford remote key fob. The key battery is situated behind this cover, so we need to remove the cover to gain access to the battery. So we need to put the blade into the upright position, like so, and then we just get our fingers and thumbs in and just remove the cover, and there is your key fob battery. We just get a little screwdriver and we just poke the battery from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just get our new key fob battery, we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. Just pop the board back in with your battery. Then you put the two halves of the case back and just click it all back in place. And there you go. It's all done.